Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best 3D printer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 5. The Creality K2 Plus combo is an impressive 3D printer that excels in speed, versatility, and ease of use. With support for 16 colors, it unlocks vibrant multicolor printing, bringing complex designs to life straight off the build plate. Its high-speed capability of up to 600 millimeters per second dramatically cuts down print times without sacrificing detail or quality. Dual AI cameras provide reliable real-time monitoring, so you can keep an eye on long prints from start to finish. Full auto leveling removes the frustration of manual calibration, making setup effortless for both beginners and experienced users. The expansive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume lets you tackle larger projects with confidence. Overall, the K2 Plus combo blends power, precision, and user-friendly features into a robust package that's perfect for hobbyists and pros alike.
Number 4. The Creality K2 Pro Combo A is a powerful and versatile 3D printer that impresses from the first use. Its CFS multicolor system enables vibrant, detailed prints without complex setup. With a max high speed of 600 millimeters per second, it dramatically cuts print times while maintaining excellent quality. Fully assembled right out of the box, it saves time and frustration, and the auto-leveling feature ensures reliable first-layer adhesion every time. Dual AI cameras provide real-time monitoring, giving users confidence during longer prints. The generous 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume lets you tackle large projects with ease, appealing to both professionals and hobbyists. Overall, the K2 Pro Combo A blends speed, performance, and user-friendly features into a well-rounded machine that elevates your 3D printing experience.
Number 3. The Creality K2 Plus combo is a compelling 3D printer that excels in performance and versatility. Featuring new CFS technology for multicolor printing, it brings creative ideas to life with rich, accurate hues. With a high-speed printing capability of up to 600 millimeters per second, it significantly reduces wait times while maintaining crisp detail. Full auto-leveling simplifies setup, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. The next-gen direct drive extruder enhances filament control, minimizing common issues like clogging and stringing. Dual AI cameras provide reliable real-time monitoring, offering peace of mind during long prints. A generous 13.78 by 13.78 by 13.78 inch build volume supports larger projects and complex assemblies. Overall, the K2 Plus combo delivers excellent speed, quality, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for hobbyists and pros seeking advanced multi-material printing in one package.
Number 2. The Creality K2 Plus combo is a standout 3D printer that blends innovation with high performance. Its multicolor printing capability, powered by the new CFS system, brings projects to life with vibrant, complex designs. With an impressive max speed of 600 millimeters per second, prints finish faster without compromising detail. Full auto leveling takes the guesswork out of setup, making the machine accessible for beginners and convenient for seasoned users. The next-gen direct drive extruder ensures reliable filament feeding and reduces common issues like stringing. Dual AI cameras are a smart addition, offering enhanced monitoring and peace of mind during long prints. Overall, the K2 Plus combo delivers a powerful, user-friendly experience with excellent print quality and speed, perfect for hobbyists and pros alike seeking advanced multi-material capabilities in one package.
Number 1. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printer is an impressive machine designed for speed, precision, and ease of use. With its core XY structure and blazing fast 500 millimeters per second printing speed, it delivers smooth, accurate prints without sacrificing quality. The 320 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle makes it versatile enough to handle a wide range of filaments, including advanced engineering materials.
Auto-calibration removes the hassle of manual setup, making it beginner-friendly while still appealing to experienced makers. A built-in camera allows real-time monitoring, adding convenience and peace of mind during long prints. Ready to print straight out of the box, the Centauri Carbon saves time and effort. Its generous 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume supports both small details and larger projects. Overall, it's a powerful, reliable 3D printer that offers excellent performance and value for modern creators.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.